AC-5's mission is to provide the combat-loaded Marines a means of transportation from the ship to the shore for amphibious assaults.
The overall mission of the LCACs and Assault Craft Unit 5 is to deliver the Marine vehicles and what other vehicles and supplies need to be taken to shore from a ship for any type of humanitarian mission or assault.
We are the main connector between the ship and shore and getting any type of equipment and personnel to the beach.
I'm EWF1 Chris Price. I'm a LCAC navigator on Lima Charlie 5-6 and a Detachment Foxtrot's operations chief. During the mission, I'm constantly tracking radar contacts as well as communicating not only with the crew but with the ship and the beach team.
I am Senior Chief Petty Officer John Fessler. I am an LCAC Craft Master and also the Detachment Leading Chief Petty Officer. When I'm on the LCAC, I fly the LCAC. I am the operator.
My name is BM2 Paul Thiessen. I am a load master with Assault Craft Unit 5. My job position as a load master is mainly staging the Marine Corps vehicles and what other vehicles we have to take ashore so that the craft is properly balanced, which is a huge aspect.
Chief Petty Officer Mike Marriott. I'm a gas turbine engineer, and my job on the LCAC is the craft engineer and assistant operator. I'm the starboard lookout, but at the same time, I'm responsible for starting and stopping all the machinery, monitoring electric and propulsion plant systems, as well as any damage control efforts.
I'm responsible for preventive maintenance, troubleshooting, and repairs for all electrical and mechanical systems.
To work with some of the most highly trained, top-notch sailors I've ever had the opportunity to work with, that's the coolest part. To see their eyes get wide open when they see one of these LCACs hover for the first time, that's the coolest part.